Welcome to DTS TechFit. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today we'll be doing a Unit 2 Technology System Revision session. Please read, pause the video when necessary so you are able to complete the activities on this video. See you in the next part of the video. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Our first activity. So you want to pause this one here, read each section, and then answer it in your books as best as you can. The main question is, what am I? I am the CPU. You guessed it. Now, let's dig deeper into what CPUs and types of computers are. Stick around. Let's jog our memories. For the section, please don't forget to pause the video and write the answers in your books. The instructions are: draw a diagram of a computer system. Hint, think about the four things that make a computer. 2. Explain what is meant by input, process, output, storage, and program. So, well done. I hope you did well. This is a basic diagram of the processes of a computer. So, let's move on. Today we will explore the purpose of a CPU. We'll also explore the uses, benefits, and limitations of various computer systems. You need to pause the video as well and write these in your books so that you are able to go back to these to say whether or not you have learned about the CPU, and we've explored the benefits as well. Where is the brain of a computer and what does it do? Think about it. CPU, what is it? What do the letters CPU stand for? C, central. P, processing. U, unit. Central processing unit. This is commonly known as a processor or a microchip. It is installed on a motherboard. No computer system could function without one. Central processing unit. Where in the computer system does a CPU live? I hope you're trying to remember the facts about the CPU. This is necessary for your exams. The motherboard. This is where your CPU lives on your motherboard. This is just another section for you to use to reflect or try to recall, so you know the different sections and the different slots of the motherboard. Why do we need the CPU? It is important as it is the brain of the computer. It performs processes such as calculations, like a calculator, but more powerful. It coordinates hardware such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other functions and hardware of the computer. So let's focus on what the CPU does. The CPU processes instructions by first fetching, gets the instructions that is needed to run. It then decodes it. It breaks the codes down to binary numbers, zeros and ones, to perform instructions, after which it executes. Based on instructions, it can perform difficult calculations or move data from one memory place to another. Write back. It also creates an output by looking at the instructions. Please pause the video at this stage and ensure that you take notes of the information on this slide, as you will need it for your exams. When choosing a CPU, you need to look at the speed of the CPU. So you want to check the clock speed. This is measured in hertz. You will need to also check the instruction processed per cycle or second. So ensure that you have a good CPU. Let's refresh our memories. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU function: it fetches, decodes, executes, and writes back. Clock, measured in hertz. Speed, performance. You want to check those when you're planning on buying a new computer. Now let's check what we have learned so far. Please pause the video at this point. Take note of the questions. Try to answer these without checking your notes so we can see if we have learned anything so far. Question 1. What do the letters CPU stand for? Question 2. State 2 reasons the CPU is important. Question 3. List what a CPU does. Question 4. What is the speed of the CPU measured in? Question 5. Where does the CPU live? Think about the answers and write these down. Try to be as detailed as possible. And remember, you need to give an explanation and an example. This is good practice for your exams. Thank you for watching. We have now learned about the CPU. For your next lesson, we will be learning about the different types of computer systems. Please take note, write these down in your notebooks, and we will discuss them further in your next session. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.